Hey guys, welcome back to PLS 101 Training with Valentine. This is video number 11. Now, this is this part 3 of how to create your funnel from scratch serious video. Hopefully it's the final one, all right? Now, we already created this bad boy right here, folks. Let's test out what we created so far. We created a sales funnel. This is the inside of the sales funnel, not the capture page, folks. This is what they're going to get sent to after they opt into with their name and email, all right? Computer slow again, like I keep saying. This is ridiculous. It's probably because I'm uploading a video in the background.
Hey guys, how you guys doing?
Okay, let's test the got questions. Got questions works fine. Let's get started now. I put a link there for my Total Life Changes business. Let's just test it out. Sends them to my Total Life Changes. Okay. I'm not going to wait for it to load. All right. Down here we have some testimonial videos that you could put. All right. Obviously, if you leave them blank, there will automatically be Powerlease system videos. So you need to upload something there. And then at the bottom, I added a little feature, which was a picture of me and my girl. And as stated as before, you could do anything with this. You could actually come here and put letterings up here. Right there where you see that blue spot. You could put letters here if you want, or whatever the case you want. You could do a whole bunch of stuff here, okay? All right, but we're not going to go into details on that because we need to go back to. And also, I did forget to mention this, guys. Okay? This is a simple funnel. You can make a more sophisticated, more funnel if you want to add an extra button. So let's say you got questions, get started now, and then the next button could say, get the marketing system. You know, or get traffic now, or whatever. So if they click on that, you will send them to another business opportunity. In order for you to do that, you will need to do the similar steps we're doing now and just add that link to that particular button. So all you have to do is create another subdomain, okay, which is going to be for that inside part of that funnel. And then you create a button, which you could add here. And that button will be, you will put that link to that button for that other sales page. Okay? So, folks, it's very simple stuff, man. You know, you just got to wrap your head around it and do it, man. So let me close this out. Now, let's go at the beginning part of this funnel, which is creating a capture page. So we're going to go again to make ourselves a copy. Now, by then, I'm assuming you already have the video that you want to get their attention. Okay, you want to brand yourself. So once you want to make a video with you, with your face on it. You want to keep it short and simple and not give everything away on what you're talking about. So they could put their name and email and log in and see the presentation. If you give it all away in the beginning video, hey guys, join this business. Karatbars is just amazing. You get gold, you know, blah, 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 blah. You know, join Total Life Changes. You're going to lose weight, drink coffee, drink tea, blah, 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 blah. They're not going to put their name and email. You gave them all the information. You probably get 1 out of 50, 1 out of 100 persons to put their name and email. You want to keep them guessing on what it is that you're talking about, folks. So be smart about that. Keep it short and simple. Be yourself. Be funny if you have to. Call their attention to it. Especially, this works great for traffic exchange websites. It works wonders, okay? So I'm going to give you an example. I just want to make sure this is set up like this right here. All right. Now you're going to scroll down. Disappeared. It's unbelievable. Here it is. All right. So, like I said before, don't create the mistake of picking name, email, and phone number. You're going to get less conversions. You could click here to copy this page. You scroll down to the bottom and it says, make me a copy. This is really, really interesting. This is really cool right here. What we're going to do is we're going to erase this over here. We're going to put test funnel capture page because this is for testing here. So test funnel capture page over here. Over here you will put something else. Over here you will put whatever you want them to see up here in the in the top. Just like you see admin over here. Test capture page, okay? whatever. I don't care if I wrote it wrong. This is just for video purposes here. We're going to click here, and it's going to ask you which is the domain that we're going to use for this, okay? So we already know which domain we're going to use because this is test funnel capture page, not sales page. Sales page is the inside of the funnel. This is the capture page. So this link will be tied to this capture video page, folks. So you click on this. That's why we created two from the beginning. If you missed it, go watch video number 9, and that's part 1 of create your capture page from scratch, folks. If you landed on this page, you got to go to video number 9, which is create your capture page, create your sales funnel from scratch video lesson number 1, okay, or whatever the case is, but it's 101 training video number 9, and it's going to be part 1 of the how to create a capture page from scratch. Now, previously I told you that we had to pick a we didn't have to pick a email campaign for the sales page because that's already inside. The person already put their name and email. Now, this is the capture page. This is exactly where you want to set up a email campaign to be tied to this capture page. So immediately after they put their name and email, they will be receiving emails from you. So now you have to pick which one you want to pick. So I'm going to pick one from the Powerly system. This is just for whatever PLS opportunity. Right here, 16 messages, 14 messages, whatever. Now, this is where the magic happens. Okay, a page in your website. You see that? That sales funnel that you created for the inside is already in a page in your website. It's already listed and saved as a page in your website. You will click here, and you're going to click over here to go hunt that down. That's why you give it a particular name. The name we gave it was Test Funnel Sales Page, right? So we're going to look for the test funnel. So it's order, alphabetical order. Here it is, test funnel. You can actually view the page. Let's verify that that's the one. I'm telling you, my computer's so slow right now. I want to jam it against the floor and just destroy this computer right now. But this is it, the funnel we created, guys. Okay. So let's close this before I break my machine, because my computer is just taking so long. So you see that it's test funnel. That's why it's important to give it a name that you'll be able to find once you come to this part of the sales funnel that you're setting up. And that's it. You are done. Save changes to web page. Well, actually, it's going to take you to the other part. You're not done yet because you have to add the video here. Sorry. You're done with that editing part. So this one right here, we're going to take a different one. Right? Let's pick business. You don't want that as your capture page right off the rip. People might not be interested by it. You know what I mean? It's just my opinion. All right? You might have different taste to it or whatever you think. That's fine. I wouldn't do it. Especially like in a traffic exchange website, people are not going to go log in because they already know it's either Javita Coffee, TLC Coffee, or Valentis Coffee, or any other coffee they're selling, Organo Gold, or whatever the case is. So you don't want to put a coffee right off the rip. Remember, we want to keep it secret from them. So here we go, free presentation, blah 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 blah. You could change this, you could add it, you could edit anything. I suggest you put whatever you want, blah blah blah. You know, I'm going to show free presentation. I'm going to show how, in my case, I use my high school dropout story. I'm a high school dropout. I'm going to put, you know, a free presentation to show you how a high school dropout is earning $5K a month, working from home. And if I could do it, you can do it. Free video will reveal all, whatever. And then over here, you will put the video of it. So I'm going to, just for video purposes, I'm going to do this like that. Boom. Click on this. We already know what we're going to do here. We're going to put the email, the link, that code that goes in between the question mark, and the /. Okay. And we're going to put a video that I created, which is really cool. All right. It's designed for traffic exchange websites, and it converts very well. I get tons of leads into it. You know, hopefully we're going to get sales out of it sooner or later. That's just the name of the business. So I already went to my YouTube channel. I copy the video code that I want to copy, which I showed you before how to do that, and put it between the question mark and /. Hit OK. Save changes, move to the next step. Now let's view it, guys. Let's view this. So you click view. Obviously, you're going to fix the lettering, put whatever you want. Hi, folks. It's Valentine here, the visionary entrepreneur, making this quick video here for you guys because I got a special treat for you guys today. All right. I'm going to show you the exact same marketing platform. There you go, guys. That's simple. Now, if they put their name and email, let's give it a try here. I'm going to put, w@gmail.com. I'm putting a fake email here, folks, just so I could prove to you that the sales funnel is good to go and set. Get instant access. Gmail.com, something, whatever. All right. It's going to log you in. It's going to prompt you to put this here, the code. Make sure you're not a robot. There you have it, folks. It brings them directly into the sales funnel. All right. Hey guys, and the sales funnel is already fully functioning and working, folks. All right. So now what you do have to do is very simple, guys. You view this page, which is the main capture page sales funnel, because it's asking for their name and email. You will copy this, and that's your capture page that you want to share, guys. You want to put it in your traffic exchange websites. You want to run traffic to it. You want to buy traffic, solo ads to it, etc. And that's the way how you create a traffic sales funnel from scratch, folks. So I hope you found this video informational. Stay tuned to more videos of 101 PLS training with Valentine. See you guys in the next video. Bye.